Yo, what is up, guys? It's Market Monkey here. My name's Jensen. I'm with my friend Sam, and today we're talking about a great stock pick for 2020, Cloudflare. I currently have $30,000 worth of shares in Cloudflare. Sam has about $20,000 worth of shares, and we just think this is a great pick for the short term and long term. Today we're just going to kind of break down the stock. What is it? What are the sort of metrics you're looking for? We're really just trying to explain this to beginner investors and how you can maybe get some skin in the game and kind of understand what you're investing in. So Sam, let's just kick it off. What does Cloudflare even do?
So basically, it's really simple what Cloudflare does. All these companies are under cyber attacks all the time, and Cloudflare is basically the defender against those cyber attacks. And they're pretty much the sole defender right now for most companies.
Yeah, they're a great company. They offer their services for free for smaller users, and then as the companies grow larger, they start charging. It's something like 15% of the top 500 companies in America actually use Cloudflare services.
Yeah, and in this chart here, it may seem a little bit confusing, but you can see as the months go on, the number of attacks on these companies are going through the roof. So they're more reliant on Cloudflare. The cybersecurity market is going to grow by a ton. It's going to go from 161 billion in 2019 to 363. That's more than doubling in 5 years, which just makes it by far one of the fastest growing markets.
Yeah, with coronavirus and everyone starting to work from home and this looking like a real possibility, Cloudflare is just going to become more and more important. We think this could be even a conservative kind of estimate, from this article.
Yeah.
Now let's get into the numbers. This could get a little bit confusing, but, a real beginner mistake with investors is they really look at the stock price and they think, wow, that's expensive or that's cheap. But you never really want to look at how much the stock price is. What you actually want to be looking at is the market cap. And the market cap basically is just how much the company is worth. Sam, I'm sure you could break this down a little bit.
Yeah, so all the market cap is basically all of their outstanding shares, so all of the shares that they've created, right? And then if you combine them all together and multiplied it by how much they cost per share, that's going to give you the total value of the company. So don't look at the share price to see how much a company's worth. Look at the market cap. Okay. And here, Cloudflare says is worth $22.97 billion, which may seem like a lot. It's in billions of dollars, but we're talking about a technology company here, and that's extremely small. Apple, for instance, is over $1 trillion in market cap. Microsoft is over $1 trillion in market cap. Even some companies you've never heard of are over 100 billion, $200 billion in market cap. So Cloudflare is actually an extremely small company in the tech field and has tons of room to grow. This is a growth company that you would like to get into.
Yeah, keep in mind, we're talking about an industry that is worth $160 billion right now. There's just a lot of room to grow. We've already seen the stock go up 300% this year. Sam bought around here. His investments are up 300%. I was a little bit late to the run, but, I'm still up 60-70% on some of my purchases. It's a great stock. Honestly, guys, this is one to look out for. We really think this is the next big pick, Oh, yeah, so that's basically all we got to say about this stock. It's a great pick. If you're really enjoying this sort of content, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to join our Discord channel. That's all we have for today, guys. Thanks a lot.